consistent.
डेटा कहना है कि नहीं सही
Sorry, 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 sorry.
Hi everyone, I am Manshika Ahuja from Emulation Software Technologies. At Emulation, we always believe that the earlier you start learning skills, the bigger advantages you create for your future. And today, we are talking about one such inspiring journey. Most of the students in 11th class are busy figuring out their subjects, but some students start figuring out their future. आज हमारे साथ एक ऐसे स्टूडेंट हैं जिन्होंने अपने स्कूल के साथ साथ अपनी टेंथ जर्नी स्टार्ट कर दी थी, completely from scratch. And today, she is a software engineer. Please welcome Tarasha Bansal. Hi Tarasha, so good to have you here. Please introduce yourself.
I am currently a mobile experience developer at Brainwave Science, Delhi में. उससे पहले मैंने अपना मास्टर्स कंप्लीट किया है कंप्यूटर साइंस में फ्रॉम यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ न्यू हेवन and I've done my BCA from Christ University, Bangalore. Yeah, I think emulation gave me the kickstart for this journey that I needed.
Honestly speaking, Tarasha ma'am, mostly in 11th class में स्टूडेंट जो फोकस रहता है वो मार्क्स स्कूलिंग के आंसर पे रहता है, तो आपने ऐसा क्या सोचा कि अभी इतनी अर्ली एज में स्टार्ट कर दिया था?
तो मेरी स्कूलिंग एक्चुअली देहरादून से हुई है, तो वहाँ पर 8th ग्रेड में हमने कोडिंग स्टार्ट कर दी थी. सो आई हैड बिल्ट एन इंटरेस्ट वहीं पर, बट यहाँ आकर आई रियलाइज कि स्कूल में उतना नहीं था एक्सपोजर इन कोडिंग या फिर कंप्यूटर्स में, विच इज़ वाई आई वाज एंड आई वांटेड टू ग्रो इन दिस फील्ड. So I found Emulation. My mom found this institute उस time पर and I enrolled here and I think मैंने इतना सीखा in the short time that I was here कि I fell in love with coding even more. So yeah, I think that interest in the subject I think is what kept me here.
आपने बिल्कुल बेसिक से स्टार्ट किया था एंड आई थिंक विद इन 7 to 8 months आपने एंड्रॉइड एप्लीकेशन तक सीखा था, तो आपको ऐसा बीच में कब लगा कि हाँ टेक में मेरा फ्यूचर है?
I think तब I was one of the youngest people in the institute, so I was surrounded by all BTech and people who were pursuing this industry like as a career. 11th grade में I hadn't thought about a career as much, but यहाँ आके जब मैंने सबको देखा and how serious they were and how वो अपने future के बारे में देख रहे थे, तो मुझे realize हुआ that this is a great field to have a career in, and that's when I kind of realized. And sir शैलेंद्र सर उन्होंने भी जैसे मेरे को GSOC और सब के लिए he was showing me so many opportunities कि इस field में क्या क्या है, and that was just like endless at that point, which it still is. So I think that is when I realized कि इसमें बहुत opportunities हैं, I can pursue it.
जैसे आजकल की जो जनरेशन है वो सोशल मीडिया एंड ऑल्सो बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रैक्टेड है, तो उस एज में इतना कंसिस्टेंट कैसे थे?
As a boarding school student, I think I wasn't used to a lot of the distractions that are present out. So I think it was easy for me to focus this time पे. And then again, like ऐसे space में आना जहाँ पर you get so much motivation and you get so much validation अपने like interests में, it kind of pushes you into the right direction, and that is I think what kept me very consistent at that time. I think that motivation that I was getting in this space and along with everybody who was around me uस time पर, so that kept me very consistent. I enjoyed coming here every day, so it became very easy to do that.
If today's Tarasha meets the 11th class Tarasha, what will you tell her?
I would tell her to take herself more seriously and
बट आई थिंक उस टाइम पे तराशा भी बाकी कंपैरिजन से तो बहुत सीरियसली थी.
I'm sure. But I think उस टाइम पे मैंने बस as you said like marks पे भी focus था, तो I took that as more important at one point. तो मैंने computers को थोड़े टाइम के लिए छोड़ दिया था, thinking कि I'll pick it up later.
And I think that's your mistake kind of.
I do think that was. I feel like if I hadn't, so I could have pursued a lot more in this field. But I think even then, I got the chance to make mistakes and learn from it. Then it's not good.
जैसे आपकी जर्नी देख के एक चीज क्लियर है कि आपने अर्ली स्टार्ट किया तो आपकी टेक जर्नी बहुत ज्यादा एडवांस है, लेकिन अभी के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो ऐसा सोचते हैं कि अभी तो टाइम है बाद में कर लेंगे, तो आप उस स्टूडेंट्स को क्या अभी इस टाइम पे लॉस कर देंगे ऐसा सोच के?
I think सबसे बड़ी उसमें प्रॉब्लम ये है कि टेक इज चेंजिंग लिटरली एवरी डे. तो अगर यूर सेइंग कि बाद में ये चीज़ सीख लेंगे जो अभी चल रही है, इट माइट नॉट इवन बी रेलेवेंट टुमारो. तो it's as soon as you start, I feel like you can understand what you like, what you don't like, and build from there. Because कल को कुछ नया आ जाएगा, and if you think that will be easy to pick up in the future, I don't think it would be. So I do think, and also early start say again, like in my example, you get the chance to make mistakes. You can take your time to figure yourself out. I don't think future way you can take that risk.
What have been more in your skills, like practical exposure or just learning the subjects?
Definitely practical exposure helped more. Languages सीखना versus उन languages को use करके कुछ build करना. The building part is what teaches you that language much more than like Shailendra sir भी जब भी मुझे पढ़ाते थे, he would make me make one small program or something so that मैं वो समझ पाऊँ कि वो words actually करते क्या है. And again, I was a PCM student, so that maths sort of reflected in the coding. And I could see कि just those numbers on paper versus how they're working in coding, that practically changes a lot.
जैसे अभी टेक्नोलॉजी जो है इतनी फास्ट इवॉल्व हो रही है, एआई, ऑटोमेशन एंड ऑल, तो आपको क्या लगता है जो किस टाइप के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो सस्टेन कर पाएंगे इस इंडस्ट्री में?
I think only those who are ready to update themselves with time, who are able to embrace जो भी changes आ रहे हैं इस industry में. Like if I had, like when I started my journey, coding was like everything manual. But अगर मैं वो आज करूँ कि I will not use AI tools and I will just do manual coding, then I will be losing. Like it's not smart. So definitely I think बस वो balance strike करने की ज़रूरत है कि where you have to update yourself versus where you have to update your skills. So I think people who can strike that balance can do the either.
Okay. If someone asks you why emulation, then what will be your answer?
For me, the answer is I don't know of any other place in Ganganagar at least. And even if there was, I don't think कोई और जगह इतना हर एक स्टूडेंट को इतना ग्रोथ और इतना पर्सनलाइज्ड मेंटरशिप मिलती है कहीं पर भी. लाइक जो मेंटरशिप मुझे यहाँ मिली है एंड जो सपोर्ट मुझे यहाँ मिला उस टाइम पे, आई थिंक दैट रियली शेप्ड कि हाँ आई वांट टू परस्यू दिस एज अ करियर. I doubt हूँ कहीं और इतना होता है.
अगर आपको आपकी जर्नी एक लाइन में या विद इन 2-3 लाइंस आपको एक्सप्लेन करनी हो तो व्हाट विल बी दैट?
I think My journey has been a lot of ups and downs, a lot of figuring out what I like, a lot of failures for sure, but also learning from those. Uh, and again, I got the chance to do that because of starting early. So yeah, I think that defines it well.
For students who thinks that this is a time that is too early, what would be your message to that type of students?
I don't think it's ever too early, and especially आज के टाइम पे जहाँ पे tech is everywhere. I personally feel that coding languages are basically your new spoken languages. तो वो जितना जल्दी शुरू करो, it's only good for you. So I don't think it's ever too early to start learning coding at this stage.
Thank you so much, Sakasha ma'am, for coming here. Your journey proves that success doesn't begin after college. It begins when you stop waiting and start building yourself. From learning basics in school to becoming a software engineer. That's what early learning and right guidance